So here's how we can add an event to shared calendar on iPhone. So let me show you how it works. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss tutorials and videos like this one. So of course you can open up your Apple Calendar app like this, and you can see we have a couple of different things which you can do here. So of course you can click on the plus button to start a new event and everything. And the point is that you have some options if you want to like share that event with somebody. So naturally you set up the title, the date, and all of the important things, but then you see the calendar selection and invitee. So you can actually invite some people if you want to, or you can also tap on the calendar and choose the one where you want to associate or like categorize this event to. So depends on how you have it set up, but a lot of people have here the shared calendar accessible through these options. So if you know which one it is, just tap on this and you'll be able to add event, but it will become a part of the newly created shared calendar, right? So it's gonna be part of that list. Keep in mind that you can always go back to the main page for your calendar and tap the calendar option below, and you'll see that we can tap on add a calendar like that and create either a family one or add a subscription calendar, right? So when you click on and add a subscription account, you can set up this one, which will be for other people as well, right? And you'll be able to just create it like this shareable link, which other people can add to their calendar. And the events you added to this one will be visible to all other people who subscribe to it. So that is something which you have available as well. Let me know if you found what you needed. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this. And I'll talk to you soon. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.